Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make adjustments on your picture on the Lightleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select the picture you would like to edit. Then you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find this adjust button and tap on it. Click on light and then adjust the light by the help of this slide down below. Then you can do the same on the contrast section. Then you can set the vibrance. The shadows can be adjusted by the help of the slide and the vignette too. The exposure can be set, such as the highlights, the saturation, the temperature, the tint, hue, and that's it. Click on the checkmark icon down below to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.